Hi, my name is Sam and you are watching my channel RX Sam. Welcome to my channel. Today we see the basic information of drug warfarin. It is anticoagulant. About warfarin, it is used as an anticoagulant or blood thinner. It is commonly used to treat blood clot such as deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism and to prevent stroke in the people who have atrial fibrillation, valvular heart diseases or artificial heart valves. Warfarin first came into commercial use in 1948 as a rat poison. The effect of warfarin may be reversed with phytomenadione, also called vitamin K1, fresh frozen plasma, or prothrombin complex concentrate. Warfarin decreases blood clotting by blocking an enzyme called vitamin K epoxide reductase that reactivates vitamin K1. Let us see what is anticoagulant. Anticoagulants are commonly known as blood thinners. These are chemical substances that prevent or reduce coagulation of blood. Coagulation, also known as clotting, is the process by which blood changes from a liquid to a gel, forming a blood clot. Deep vein thrombosis. It is the formation of a blood clot in a deep vein. Atrial fibrillation is an abnormal heart rhythm, also called arrhythmia, characterized by the rapid and irregular beating of the atrial chamber of the heart. Valvular heart disease. It is any cardiovascular disease process involving one or more of the four valves of heart. Prothrombin time PT along with its derived measure of prothrombin ratio PR and international normalized ratio INR are assays evaluating the extrinsic pathway and common pathway of coagulation. Contraindications: pregnancy, gastrointestinal ulcers, heparin induced, low platelets, severe liver diseases, uncontrolled hypertension, thrombocytopenia until platelet count has improved or normalized. Doses of warfarin. It is recommended that the effect of warfarin typically be monitored by checking prothrombin time INR every 1 to 4 weeks. The maintenance dose of warfarin can fluctuate significantly depending on the amount of vitamin K1 in the diet. It is generally taken by mouth but may also be used by injection into a vein. Lower doses required to produce therapeutic level of anticoagulation. Initially less than or equal to 5 mg twice in a day. Maintenance dose 2 to 5 mg twice in a day. Side effects of warfarin. The common side effect is bleeding. The risk of bleeding are increased further when warfarin is combined with antiplatelet drugs such as clopidogrel, aspirin, or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Bleeding risk may be increased in the people of hemodialysis. Warfarin necrosis is a condition in which skin and subcutaneous tissue death occur due to acquired protein C deficiency. Interactions with other drugs. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, warfarin increase the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. Metronidazole. Broad-spectrum antibiotics. Alcohol. Some brand names which are available in markets. Coumadin. Univarfin. Warf. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please share to your friend. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.